$Mafia. Investors, let's take a quick 45-minute trip north of Wall Street to the heart of Tony Soprano's neighborhood in North Caldwell, New Jersey. Imagine an ETF created by the Mafia, filled with cash cow powerhouses that could make for great stock ideas in 2023. We're talking increasing cash flow stocks so profitable they will want Tony Soprano to buy the Bada Bing strip club. So go grab some gabagool and let's take a journey into the amusing world of my Mafia-inspired cash-rich stocks. If the mob may have realized their everyday jobs were great stock themes, they may have ditched their shady businesses and headed straight to Wall Street. The imaginary Mafia ETF top holding would have to be Waste Management, ticker WEM. It's by far one of our favorite stocks and the largest trash removal company in the entire world, with a market cap around $63 billion and a dividend yield of roughly 1.8%. Not only is Waste Management a well-run cash flow machine, but they could also be seen as an inflation hedge. This is a service that everyone needs unless you plan on taking a trip to your local landfill each week. Waste management companies can increase their prices with inflation as the cost of fuel, labor, and other expenses rise. Their demand for their services is likely to remain constant even during economic downturns. The company has the largest market share in North America and has a long history of consistently increasing its dividends. We would be doing a disservice to our audience if we didn't also include another behemoth stock, Republic Services, Incorporated, ticker RSG, with a market cap around $40 billion and an annual dividend yield around 1.55%. If you live in the United States, you likely are serviced by Waste Management or Republic Services for trash removal. Forget the olive oil industry, casino and entertainment sound more intriguing as an investment opportunity. To be honest, it's hard to recommend casino hotel stocks since most are not profitable currently. The charts long-term look god-awful, from Wynn, Las Vegas Sands, Penn Entertainment to MGM Resorts, with many not recovering from the 2008 stock market crash. Some may argue different reasons, but our opinion is the overhead costs to run such large physical properties is, in simple terms, a headache. That's why we are going to go out on a limb and include DraftKings ticker DKNG to our Mafia ETF. The house always wins, and DraftKings own little to no physical locations. There may be some disruptive opportunity in online mobile sports betting and casino gambling soon. We all know the negatives of DraftKings: expensive advertising spend, strong competition, slower than hoped for state legislation. However, there is one thing we do know. The first state to legalize mobile gambling was New Jersey, which has now tipped the scale and reporting a contribution profit for DraftKings. Of course, this is speculation, and the company needs to show us, not tell us, but we could see this New Jersey blueprint being duplicated in other legalized states over a 5-year period. RCEI Hospitality Holdings, Inc., ticker RICK, previously Rick's Cabaret International, Incorporated, is one of our favorite Mafia-themed stocks that operates in the adult entertainment industry. ACA owns gentlemen's clubs throughout the country. Now when you're done laughing, Rick has had a return of around 230% from 2018 to December 2022. Since its recent sell-off in January, the stock has still returned roughly a 37% annual return over the last 5 years. With a market cap of $750 million, this stock is worth looking at for explosive upside if they continue to expand in new growing markets throughout the U.S. RICK is focused on growing its considerable free cash flow, our favorite 3-word term in the Mafia ETF. This is literally a cash business. Yes, it's an easy job if you just want to be an investor in the car wash business, which brings us to our next stock idea, Mr. Car Wash, ticker symbol MCW. Oh yeah, that's one bad-looking stock chart, but this is really the first pure play into the car wash industry, and it just so happens to be the largest car wash chain in the nation. After its IPO in 2021, the stock has been an awful performer. but some may argue their IPO valuation of $6 billion was caught up during the early 2021 bull market. Today, the market cap has been more than cut in half to around $2.85 billion, which may have to do with its debt on the books. However, before the pandemic, this company was growing revenue at an annual compound rate of 20%. As many might know, if managed properly, car washes can be very lucrative. In conclusion, while the idea of a MAFIA-inspired ETF might sound funny, the truth is that these type of business ideas can be proven solid investments in a diversified portfolio. From waste management companies to car wash chains, these companies all can provide of steady cash flow and resilience during tough economic times. Thinking like a business mobster might not be for everyone, but it can reveal untapped ideas that others may overlook. Just be prepared to potentially venture into morally ambiguous territory. As a reminder, nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and consult with a financial advisor.